Overusing idiomatic expressions. A trap to avoid in formal writing. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're striving to improve your English writing, especially in more formal contexts, today's video is for you. We're diving deep into idiomatic expressions in formal writing. Specifically, we're tackling the common mistake of overusing idiomatic expressions. It might sound counterintuitive, but there is such a thing as using too many idioms, and we're going to find out why and how you can avoid this pitfall. Before we get into the main topic, let's briefly discuss what idiomatic expressions are. Idiomatic expressions are phrases or sayings whose meanings aren't directly understandable from the individual words used. For example, phrases like break the ice or kick the bucket don't literally mean breaking ice or kicking a bucket. They are idioms that have evolved over time to represent certain actions or ideas. Idiomatic expressions can make your writing more vibrant and engaging. In formal writing, they can even add a layer of sophistication when used appropriately. But the keyword here is appropriately. Overuse of idiomatic expressions can make your writing sound convoluted and distract from your main points. Overusing idiomatic expressions can lead to several issues. 1. Reduced clarity. Too many idioms can make your sentences harder to understand. 2. Loss of formality. While some idioms are acceptable in formal writing, a barrage of them can make your text sound informal. 3. Dilution of impact. If every other sentence has an idiom, the unique impact that each idiom can offer is diminished. How do you know if you are overusing idioms? Here are some red flags. 1. Repetition of similar idioms. If you find yourself using idioms that convey the same idea multiple times in a short span, you might be overusing them. 2. Sentence complexity. If your sentences are becoming convoluted because you are fitting in idioms, that's another sign. 3. Feedback. If people are commenting that your writing is hard to understand or flowery, take it as a hint that you might be overdoing it. To ensure that you don't fall into the trap of overusing idiomatic expressions, here are some tips. 1. Be intentional. Only use an idiom if it adds value or clarity to your sentence. 2. Limit frequency. Try to limit yourself to 1 or 2 idioms in a paragraph, or even less in a very formal document. 3. Edit and review. Always edit your work to see if every idiom you used is necessary. Sometimes, a more straightforward way of saying things is better. Thank you for joining me today in exploring this fascinating aspect of English language writing. Remember, idiomatic expressions are like spices. They can elevate your dish, but too many can ruin it. I hope you found this video insightful, and that it helps you avoid the common mistake of overusing idiomatic expressions in your formal writing. Until next time, keep writing and keep improving.